Introducing the 2025 Audi Q5, Audi's latest iteration of its best-selling compact SUV, blending luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Q5 showcases a refreshed exterior, featuring a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body that exudes sophistication. Step inside to a spacious cabin adorned with high-quality materials, the 11.9-inch OLED display behind the wheel, and the 14.5-inch central touchscreen offer intuitive controls and seamless connectivity. Under the hood, the Q5 offers a range of powertrains, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivering 204 horsepower, and the sporty SQ5 variant with a 3.0-liter V6 producing 367 horsepower. All models come equipped with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring a dynamic driving experience.